Step number 1 is make sure that you find your proper documentation. In other words, is there a marriage certificate? Is there an anti-nuptial contract? Do you have any other documents that you can rely on in order to prove your case for court? Step number 2, make sure that you allow yourself enough time to process what is happening. You need time to grieve about the process. There's no way to lie about it. It is a difficult and challenging process. You are emotionally invested in your partner. They have let you down for whatever reason. It's very important that you take time to process what is happening. If possible, apply for leave from work. During this time alone, it can help you to clear your mind so that you can focus on what really matters. Your job, your career, your business, your children, etc. You can't change the past, but you can work on the present and build on the future. The next important step is to go through the tough time. It is going to be difficult, but as we've previously explained, it's like ripping off a band-aid. It pains at first, but eventually the pain stops. The next important step is make sure that you do not contact her unnecessarily. In other words, do not bomb up her phone, do not contact her. Why do we say that? For the simple reason, don't chase after someone that does not want to be in your life. They've made a decision to leave you. You need to have enough self-respect to respect that decision. Step number 4, make sure you pay your share of the bills. Do not ignore your responsibilities. In other words, if you are paying towards maintenance of the child's school fees, medical aid, do not stop these all of a sudden. It can work against you. Step number 5, do not go out drinking and doing drugs. This can affect your custody at a later stage, especially because if there's any evidence of you doing drugs, it can be used against you before the family advocate or before the court. And the last step is let the process unfold. Try and resolve the dispute amicably, in other words, get an uncontested divorce, but don't try and fast cut the process. There has to be certain documents filed, a certain procedure to follow. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.